In this session, we shall learn about the law 2 of exponents. But before that, let us look at some divisions. For example, we have 4 cubed divided by 4 square. Now what does 4 cubed mean? It means 4 times 4 times 4 divided by, what does 4 square mean? 4 times 4. Now what does this give us? So this gets cancelled, this gets cancelled, and we just get 1 4. Let's take another example. That is -2 raised to 6 divided by -2 raised to 4. Now what does this mean? It means -2 is repeated 6 times. -2 is repeated 6 times. That is -2 into -2 into -2, all divided by, and then we have -2 raised to 4. So -2 into -2 into -2 into -2. So what does this give us? We'll cancelled. So finally we get -2 raised to, we've got 2 -2's remaining, -2 raised to 2. So now we found a pattern. The pattern is 7 raised to 6 divided by 7 raised to 5. So in order to avoid writing all these factors, we've got another way out of this. That is, here the bases are the same, the exponents are different, so you just have to subtract 6 minus 5, that is 7 raised to 1, or it's just 7. So out here, if you look at this, it's basically 4 raised to 3 divided by 4 raised to 2 is 4 raised to 3 minus 2, which is equal to 4 raised to 1, which is 4. Let's take another example. 8 raised to 10 divided by 8 raised to 4. So this gets 8 raised to 10 minus 4, the base being the same, the exponents are subtracted because you're supposed to divide here, so you get 8 raised to 6. So that's what we get here. Let's take another example. That is 5 raised to 11 divided by 5 raised to 6. So that is 5 raised to 11 minus 6, which is 5 raised to 5. So this gives rise to our law 2, that is a raised to m divided by a raised to n, which is equal to a raised to m minus n, where a is not equal to 0 and exponent m is greater than n. So let me recap the session once again. Law 2 says a raised to m divided by a raised to m, we get a raised to m minus n, where a is not equal to 0 and m is greater than n. So what if we have to divide 7 raised to 6 divided by 7 raised to 5, which gives us 7 raised to 6 minus 5, which is 7 raised to 1, which is 1. Another example, 8 raised to 10 divided by 8 raised to 4. The base is the same, the exponents needs to be subtracted because it calls for a division out here, so 8 raised to 6. We do this pattern because in order to avoid writing all these factors and then coming to a conclusion. I hope you got the law 2 of exponents. Thank you so much. Well, I'm sure you enjoyed and understood this session. To learn the next concept, click on the video here. You can also subscribe to my channel here and continue to enjoy learning more and more concepts.